Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by deciding what you want from the mix: more clarity, punchy bass, or upfront vocals. Once decided, load a flat preset to remove prior color. This gives you a neutral bass line. Make the first actionable moves. Reduce overall gain to 0 dB and apply very small boosts, typically +3 to +6 dB on target bands. Make sure to use 1/3 or 1/2 octave resolution, so adjustments affect the right frequency ranges without smearing. Now you sculpt. Use a narrow cue and sweep to locate harsh or boxy frequencies. When you find them, cut first. Reductions of up to 6 dB clean space better than heavy boosts. Once cuts are in place, widen cue and make gentle boosts for presence or air. Continuously a /B by bypassing the EQ and comparing to a reference track at the same level. This helps you hear real improvements rather than louder equals better illusions. Keep transitions slow and listen in context. To finish, apply shelving filters for broad bass or treble balance and make tiny final boosts for sheen or warmth. Once done, automate small EQ moves for different song sections so each part sits correctly. Make sure to check mono compatibility and phase relationships if multiple mics or tracks are involved. If something sounds wrong, reset the suspect band, solo it, and sweep to pinpoint the issue. That troubleshooting step often reveals masking or phase problems you can fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.